I like the heels.
Thank you.
Serene. Recognized you. मैं भी heels पहनती थी.
तो अब क्या हुआ?
Arthritis. It's not been my friend.
Oh.
Sorry. Sequentia sequera.
Zareen. Oh, you know my name.
अभी लिफ्ट बंद होने वाली है. या ये डेरिक ना इतना नटखट है, हमेशा ऐसा ही
कौन
करता है.
डेरिक और लिफ्ट क्यों बंद होने वाली है?
Because Derek likes celebrities. So जब भी celebrity लिफ्ट में है ना.
Derek is a stalker?
No, बहुत lovable इंसान है.
हाँ, तो लिफ्ट
Derek,
क्यों?
naughty, great timing though, buddy.
Oh God.
It's fine, Zareen. It's fine. You're okay, na?
Yeah. Stuck with great company, so I'm super okay.
Little sarcasm, but okay. We'll continue. अच्छा ज़रीन, मैं 15th फ्लोर पे जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरा क्लब है वहाँ पे, Quickies with 60s.
क्या होता है वहाँ पे?
It's basically a quick roundup of our weekly events.
Oh.
Yeah.
बड़ा boring सा क्लब है मतलब.
No, but we talk about exciting things.
Like?
About my 5 husbands. Who are no
wow,
more.
you had 5 husbands? How? I mean, at one time or?
No, मैं द्रौपदी थोड़ी ना हूँ. Yeah.
Indian थे?
Two Indian थे, बाकी one Australian, one from Papua New Guinea and one from Timbuktu.
Wow. मुझे जो टिप्स दे दो, मेरी लाइफ सिर्फ मेरी फिल्म जो अभी आने वाली है, हेट स्टोरी 3, सिर्फ उसी में एक्साइटिंग है. पर्सनली तो बहुत ड्राई सीन्स हैं.
I just want to say, love the promo.
Thank you.
Thank you. मैं तो कहनी चाहिए क्योंकि you know it's because this movie is about my life.
Really?
Yeah, it's so autobiographical in nature.
But we only have 2 men. We don't have 5.
This is Indian men, na?
Oh, you have 2 Indian men.
Yeah, with your husband.
Achha.
I'm very confused, Zareen.
Achha.
That why is it called so much of love? All the scenes are such beautifully shot love scenes, you know, and it's such a romantic promo. I was thinking, why is it called hate story?
क्योंकि जहाँ पे लव होता है थोड़ी बहुत हेट तो आ ही जाती है. And then 2 men, whom to love more?
Whom did you love more, Zareen?
Well, I think I loved both of them equally because both of them were very different.
Miss India answer, she giggled sweetly and continued and gave me no answer. Sweet, well done, Zareen. 10 points. अभी ये बताइए कि who was the better kisser between Sharman Joshi and this Karan Singh Grover?
Oh, between them?
Yeah. No, I wasn't asking generally in life. अभी वो भी discuss कर सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है.
Between both of them, I think I would have to say Karan क्योंकि वो थोड़ा experienced है ना इसलिए. He knows a lot about this kind
Correct.
of things.
So Imran should be worried. Point number 2. Serial kisser title is going away. Okay. Actually, girl to girl, I want to know कि तुमने ये non-transferable long stay lipstick पहना?
जब ये सब हो रहा होता है तो लिपस्टिक की किसको परवाह होती है?
Right. Good to know.
I was just enjoying. तो और फिर कितनी बार लिपस्टिक लगाए ना? हमेशा ही तो निकलने वाली है. क्यों वेस्ट करें?
Correct.
And I think my lips look quite good without lipstick as well.
So this is your
quite
natural
kissable.
color? Quite kissable. I mean, okay, I'll take your word for it.
You want to try?
No. One of the many ways I swing, Zareen.
Oh.
That way has never been one for Sequentia Sequera. Although who knows?
You never know.
अच्छा, सुनने में आया है कि your mother actually said you should do this film, Zareen.
Yeah, I think my mother बहुत ही broad-minded है. Thank God for that. She was the one. She said, "Go for it, girl." So,
Yeah. And I'm like,
I
I
went
want to
for it
hang
all
out with your
along.
mother. I think we'll get along very well. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Parveen Khan, and I think अभी तक वो 60 की हुई नहीं है, but I think I'm going to make her a member of your very
Parveen
cool.
and Sequentia. Sequentia and Parveen, besties for life. Nice ring to it. Would you ever be game, you know, about accepting an indecent proposal?
Depends on what kind of proposal it is.
Okay. The thing is now, I was actually offered. उस ज़माने में 1 lakh बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा था at that time.
उस ज़माने में भी होता था ऐसा?
Yeah, why not, right? If you finish a bikini wax and you're safe, I mean, it's fine. Right? All these things, I mean, it doesn't matter. But मेरा husband ना बहुत conservative थे. Only child.
कौन सा वाला?
Number 3. Who cares? Anyway, he was an only child. Never learned to share.
Oh.
So it didn't work
That's
out.
why you changed him and got a new one.
Yeah, had to give him that cup of tea.
I really need to learn some things from you. I'll be great if you become friends with my mother. Then I'll have like 2 cool women in my life.
Okay.
फिर hate story क्या? फिर तो पता नहीं और कौन सी story आएंगी.
Yeah. Now tell me, Zareen, if you had to give a message to the world, what do you think that message would be?
First of all, to come to the theatres on 4th December to watch Hate Story 3. And then don't really care a damn what the world thinks. Just what you think about yourself is the most important thing and go for it.
Zareen, we're friends now.
Yeah.
इसी में ये सब बता सकती हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
लेकिन I felt that since this movie was about my life, I could have been in it, na? You guys could have called me.
Of course.
Yeah.
Only if the movie was made like some 30 years.
No, I could have made a special appearance. I mean, what do I have to do? I have to pout.
But the heroes are half your age.
So
you
that's not an
can't-
accusation for Shah Rukh Khan, just an accusation for me, apparently.
See, that is the way our industry works, na? Actor chalega.
Okay.
Actress thoda sa. Then they would have casted you as their mothers, and then I'm sure you won't be able to pout.
I want to be the Monica Bellucci of Bollywood. Chance hai?
मैं क्या बोलूँ? मेरे तो खुद के chances यहाँ पे.
Actually, I can bat my eyelids as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah, is that attractive?
I don't think all that is required.
No?
Just turn around.
I have a special dance. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. It's all about that bass, about that bass, about that bass, no trouble. It's all about that bass, about that bass, about that bass, no trouble. Huh? It's working, no?
You like Big Boss and you. Oh, thank God.
Derek, that's great timing, Derek. But I have to show you one more. One more. It's great, you know, because in the promo now, all of y'all do this one step. I think it's great. You know, when the heroines are just looking picture like that, now at the heroes, and you're going, hey, like it's a great shot. It's so attractive. It's great for the back, you know, for the arch. And now, Zareen, don't leave me here like this, Zareen. Zareen.